Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add a video inside of your Squarespace web. So we are in the editor, and we want to add a video in one of our sections. So what we have to do, we have to add a section and then scroll down and go to videos. And we're gonna hit that videos option. Here are some templates that we can choose from. So let's choose this one, and you can make it stand out. So this can be your YouTube video. Of course, you can change even this, or you don't even have to have it. And then, as you can see, we have this template for a video. You can make it smaller, and also you can make it a bit larger, how the website will allow it. And this obviously has nothing to do, like, this is not a video, this is, take it as a photo. And if we want to put a video inside of it, we either have to double click, or as you can see this video, we have this little pencil and we hit the edit button. And right now we have video storage of 30 minutes, so 30 minutes left, and we are about to replace the video. We can select from library, add from a link, or upload a file. If you choose to upload file, automatically the pop-up window will show up and you can upload it from a computer or go from a YouTube video. Let's go and let's go and find one of my videos, for example this one, and you just simply add it into it, add, and as you can see, SCADA, how to use SCADA for beginners 2022. So that's about it, guys. That's how you add a video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.